Hey guys, Sean again. Anyways, got another $15 off eBay coupon, $15 US actually, off eBay coupon, which is almost 20 bucks Canadian now, considering just how bad our Canadian dollar is getting trashed. So I figured I'd take full advantage. So I ordered another box of 15-16 ice in my seemingly vain attempts to get big Connor McDavid hits. Haven't had a huge amount of luck lately, but, that doesn't stop me from trying. Let's do this. Let's open this sucker up and do it. Same old stuff, one memorabilia card and one autograph card per back in this stuff. So let's hope we get a big hit. Let's do this. Pack number one. Okay. Tyler Toffoli, Nikolai Ehlers, Global Impact, dummy. And we have a Robbie Fabry World Junior Championship. That is, what's that? $8.29 out of $12.99. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of hard with the acetate, the clear acetate there. There. $8.29 of $12.99. Not a Connor McDavid World Junior card, unfortunately. It's again Robbie Fabry, another guy who I keep getting over and over again in the 15-16 class. Okay. Chris Drieger, $2.24 out of $19.99. Ice Premier rookie. Definitely not a monster hit. Okay, we got another rookie here. Okay, UC Saros. Okay, that's not bad. $7.92 out of $9.99. So that's decent. Hopefully it's not the big hit of the box, though. Looks like he might be taking over from Pekka Rinne here pretty quick there in Nashville. Base, and Michael Karanen. Yeah, not a barn burner, 90 out of 3 and a 1999. Ice Premier's rookie. Okay. Oh, we got a rookie of some kind in here. He's who's number 61. Well, Penguins. Okay. Sergei Plotnikov. Okay. 305 out of 399. Exquisite collection. Rookies. That's the first Plotnikov exquisite I've gotten. Exquisite cards don't really sell all that well on eBay, I find. Okay. So what's this? Okay, it's a jersey hit of some kind. We'll leave that to the side. Or maybe hopefully it's a patch. Let's be optimistic and it's a patch. A Connor McDavid patch of some kind. It looks like a quad or a triple or something like that. So let's hope that this can salvage this box. Okay, we have a Brendan Ranford, Ice Premier's rookie. $16.54 out of $19.99. Once again, not a barn burner of a rookie. This is the last pack. Other than that, nice card. So what do we have here? Okay, Pavel Bure. Okay, Victor Arvidsson is our autograph, which is decent, I guess, but it's definitely not great. $487 out of $499. Rookie Premier. Nice Premier's autograph. Yep, well, PK Subban. Okay. This is going to have to salvage the box, hopefully. Patches, I'll be happy. There's the dummy. And, okay, we got an Alex Ovechkin base. And let's see what this is. Okay. Who's that? Sam Bennett. Okay, well, it's rookie jersey. Kevin Fiala, that's kind of mediocre. Okay, Frozen Foursomes. Yeah. Well, this box is a disappointment, no doubt about it. It's not serial numbered either, so we probably definitely aren't looking at big bucks. So to recap, we got that Frozen Foursomes jersey, Fiala, Bennett, Virtanen, and Panarin. Arvidsson autograph, Ranford, Ice Premiers, Plotnikov, Exquisite Rookie, Michael Karanin, Ice Premier, UC Saros, Ice Premiers with Chris Drager, Robbie Fabry, World Juniors, and Nikolai Ehlers is our Global Impact. So, yeah, that box, yeah, I took a bath on that one. At least I got a coupon with it and got a good 20 bucks off of it at least. So, but anyways, guys, you know what to do. Go to my eBay at 383 Sean, or go to my blog on steamit.com at Sean Giroux, and hopefully we make some deals. Don't forget that it's Sean spelled with a U instead of a W, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Happy collecting. Have a good one. Bye-bye.